We're up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and I got a 1969 Chevelle. I believe it was a small block 350. This is an automatic car with a vinyl top. We're gonna do a little walk around, point out any kind of flaws that I could find, try to address any of those issues, let you know about them. That way when you show up, you know exactly what kind of car you were coming to look at. Here at Maple Motors, we try not to hide anything. We try to point out any kind of flaws, because we don't want that problem to come about, especially if you're coming from a long way. We sell cars all over all the time. For example, we're in Tennessee and we had a guy buy a couple in New York today. But what I'm gonna do is start up front and let y'all know what this car is. The bumper's got a lot of pitting, little scratches and stuff in it. Trying to go slow to let y'all see them. It's been on here a while, it's not perfect. See the nose. Grill looks pretty good. Nice shiny emblem. And then we got, you're good. A couple little dents right here on the fender. Tell it's been painted a little while. Not too bad. Still got a good shine. You look down the body here, it's not all wavy, it looks pretty good. There is some spots, it looks like they painted too much right here. It's a little thick on the paint there. Same right there. Trying to point all that out. The doors line up great. So all this trim looks new. Vinyl top looks great. Glossy. Couple little dimples in the paint. Almost looks like rivets under there. Maybe they did do some work back here. See if I can get them to stand out. See, it's a little flat on the paint right there. Maybe they were scrubbing on it, took some of the wax off. Definitely imperfection right there. See how it changes. A lot of swirl marks on the trunk. All that could be buffed out. This top here looks new. They did a good job on it too. I'm not huge on the vinyl tops, but I tell you what, when they're done right, they turn out and they look good. Rear bumper showing signs of pitting as well. Little paint missing here. They rubbed on it too hard. You can see where it's kind of scuffed up. I don't know why they did that. It's like all this has been replaced. Weather stripping's been there a little bit. It's still soft, but you can see it's dry rotting a little, starting to fall apart. That can be buffed out. Left a scuff. Definitely some pitting on the door handles. I'm gonna open this hood up. It's all the way under here. I believe it was a small block 350. Huge engine bay here. It's pretty clean. Got power steering. Upgraded wires. Good old Excel. Under the hood's not too bad. All right, let's work our way back to the trunk here. Oh, got the keys in my pocket, I think. I hope. Sure do. Trunk looks pretty good. You can see some spots that are leaking, probably from the back windows, especially when it's in these corners. There's a puddle of water there we're gonna get out. As soon as I get done with this video, I'm gonna wipe all that out. I don't want it sitting in here and trying to rust up. So majority of the time these cars are sitting indoors anyways. You're not gonna have it out in a rainstorm unless you're just driving home. But this seal around here looks new and it looks great. It's soft. There's no issues there. So it's got to be running down the back window. Take that window out, put a new seal in it. Should solve the problem. Because that trunk lines up good and it closes good. Door panel's in great shape here. Looks like our seals still look good. They're a little dry up on top, but everything's soft everywhere else. Bottom of these doors, I can actually see up under these. Carpet looks like it's been replaced. There's a couple little spots right there though. They may have messed up. They did replace the front, but the back is a different type of carpet. That's what they did. They put new up here and left the back here. Maybe they just had some left over. Went ahead and put that in there. So look at the back here. The back seat's in great shape. Deck lid looks pretty good. Headliner's great, man. I love when they finally do the back corners the right way. All right, let's jump in here. Check this dash out, man. It looks cool. You got the big gauges. I like the big gauges. I don't know why. Kind of in your face. I'm always watching them in every car I'm in, so. Dash looks pretty good. I don't believe there was an AC compressor at all on this, so I'm gonna say the AC don't work. 49724 on the miles. I'm not gonna touch that gas. I haven't started it since earlier this morning. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, nice. See the oil pressure jump up to 30. Our voltmeter's working. Temperature's still cold. The gas gauge does work on this one. RPM gauge is working as well. Blower motor does not work on the AC or on the air. Windshield wipers do work. No horn. I don't see no extra buttons down here. 4 horn. Got your B&M shifter. All right. Sounds like we got an exhaust leak over here. Definitely an exhaust leak. You can hear it creeping out. Motor sounds smooth itself. Got good response. They put them paper gaskets in there and they go bad. That's what's making that air seepage noise. I don't know if I got that spot in the hood. I don't remember seeing that one until just now. Little crease here. Sometimes it just don't pull up, but here. See that right there? It's on the tip of the hood. Overall, the car's pretty good. Pretty good condition. I can pick the paint all day long on a black car. It's not exactly perfect, but the car looks great when you're here in person. Usually when I zoom in on all these imperfections, it makes it look a lot worse. But if y'all have any other questions, I'm gonna try to help you out, but you can give us a call, 615-822-4444. If you want to see pictures of underneath this car or any car on the lot, check out MapleMotors.com. Got 100 detailed pictures of every single car. Got a brief description of every single car. And I'm got to go for a test drive in this one, so I'm gonna post a test drive video. I want you to check it out. If you like it, you'll like all my other videos. I've got close to 700. I haven't actually looked in a while, maybe 800. There's a ton of videos on there, 2 videos of every single car. I'm about to go to this one next. And then that primer Camaro over there. Today I'm doing all these black cars. It's gonna be a good day. So this one will be next. LS motor. Of course, we got this one with a 350 at the Trans Am with a 400. I'm gonna run the numbers on this motor as soon as I get started on it. A 283 sitting here with a 4-speed. But I really appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, I'm about to do a test drive video on this. We're here to help you out. So comment below, I'll try to get back with you. Check my website, MapleMotors.com. Give us a call, 615-822-4444. We're all a family business. We're here to help you out. I appreciate you watching, and thanks again, guys.